Good morning, good evening my brothers and sisters. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brothers and sisters, today is June 20, 2025. It's Friday. I don't have work today. We will just watch this day 1 of the Dubai Pro 2025. It's a 3-day show. Today I think is the registration. Friday, tomorrow will be the amateur. Then on Sunday will be the professional show. So let's see what they have this year, this Dubai Pro 2025. It's in the World Trade Center, my band sister. We will just ride metro. So that's the Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall metro station. So we will just ride. I think it's only 3 station from here. So this is the Burj Khalifa, my brother sister, behind me. It's very nice view. So it's almost 9 a.m. now here in Dubai, UAE. So let's go, my brother sister. Join me today.
المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي سنتر بوينت. المحطة القادمة هي المركز المالي. The final destination of this train is Center Point. The next station is Financial Center. الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي سنتر بوينت. المحطة القادمة هي المركز التجاري العالمي. The final destination of this train is Center Point. The next station is World Trade Center.
My brother sister, we just dropped off to World Trade Center. So we are on the way now to the exhibition hall for this Dubai Pro 2025. So let's go. My brother and sister, we are already here in the venue of the Dubai Pro 2025. So this is the stage behind me. So now is the first day of the event. So it's 3-day event. So today is the registration Friday. Then tomorrow will be the amateur. Then on Sunday it's gonna be the pro competition. So this is the venue, my brother sister. Very nice venue. Tomorrow and on Sunday this place will gonna be a jam pack. It will be crowded to see the best bodybuilder in the competition here in the Dubai Pro 2025. Then later we will go in the other hall. There's a lot of supplement brand there. So let's check what they have there in the other hall. So let's go. So this is the registration area, my brother sister, for the competitor. Then this is the stage. Very nice location, very nice place here in the World Trade Center here in Dubai. My brother sister, this is the other hall of the Dubai Pro 2025. The different supplement here. So we have bro here. Then there's a protein house over there. There's this animal universal nutrition. Yes, C4. So different brand of supplement, my brother sister. My brother and sister, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brother and sister, we just finished to visit that Dubai Pro 2025. It's Friday, June 20. So it's the first day of the Dubai Pro 2025. So now we are already here in gymnasium. So I will show you my updated physique. So let's see what the physique look like now. We will do a basic posing, front, side, and back shot. Then we will do the 7 mandatory pose of bodybuilding. So let's go. So that's it, my brother and sister. Our updated physique, June 20, 2025. It's Friday, my brother and sister. So before I go, my brother and sister, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell so you'll also be updated to my new uploaded video to my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my brother and sister. So I will see you again, my brother and sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training. Peace.